Yo.
The driver on this occasion wasn't the registered owner tied to the violations.
Every fucking time they get pulled over, they jump on the fucking phone. I mean, I can't say every time, but almost fucking every time. They jump on the phone. They're either sitting there mindlessly scrolling, or they're just talking to somebody immediately.
Calling them right now to get the insurance.
Okay.
Information.
All right. She says she's calling somebody for the insurance right now. Okay.
Anybody thinks she gets out of the car peacefully, just goes like, oh, okay, officer, sure, you can.
So as of right now, it's showing that you're not the registered owner of the vehicle. It's showing Kim, correct? We have no insurance on file. There's no proof of it, so...
Can you log into the insurance?
No, because it's underneath.
Nope, because it doesn't exist.
But I'm on the American credit acceptance where we're both on the loan.
Is that him on FaceTime with you?
No, that's my son because I was supposed to be picking him up. Yeah, but today is the weekend. I live right down the road like I explained to him.
How many times I fucking see and call it before it even happens, because I've seen these over the past 10 years. I just live right there.
Doesn't matter. Like he's explained to you a couple times.
Right up the road, yeah. Just always vaguities. It's never anything specific.
If we don't have proof of insurance,
Well, I can't get a
we have
hold
to
of-
take it at
I
face
can't
value.
get a hold of-
That's why you have to have proof of insurance upon stop. It's upon request, not upon, let me call 17 people and figure it out.
The woman was proving difficult to reason with. And
No. What? I didn't know that was going to happen on site. What? You're racist.
Yeah, because see how the story changes now? Now it's,
Yeah.
oh, well, I can get insurance on it. So which is it? I don't know why people do that, why they can't just be honest.
Did you say 10-12? She's all upset. She's like
Yeah.
flipping out.
Yeah.
I just want to request a supervisor.
That's fine.
Can I get your manager? Really, bitch? He's going to tell you the same fucking thing because he has the same training.
All right. Let's go ahead and step back here and stand by the car until he's finished.
For what?
For what? Immediately. For what? See, did you see the left hand go down to the window? She's going to put that fucking window up and get back on the phone.
All right. Let's go ahead and step back in the car until he's finished. Dude, get out of the car.
She goes, I swear on my mother's grave, I watched these cold. I just seen so many of them. As soon as I seen her hand move, I knew she was going for the fucking window and knew she was going back to the phone. Not only that, but she gave him the fucking Inspector Gadget fingers.
You're going to be placed under arrest if you don't exit the car. For resisting, step out of the vehicle. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
I don't know what they think the fucking phone is gonna do for him, man. Like, you got a witness to you being an idiot. Congratulations. Like, what the fuck? Oh my God. Gotta let her go, guys. We can't just beat her up in the bushes because it's like somebody's there. You're stupid. You're fucking stupid. She goes, pretending she's looking at stuff, pretending she's doing things. Then she dials 911.
Do not call 911 or you'll be arrested for that too.
Can anybody that maybe, if I get 7 views on this fucking thing, tell me the mentality behind that move right there? Calling the police on the police. Like, the operator's gonna go, they're doing what? Oh my God, man, we're sending someone right away. They're gonna be like, you should probably step out of the car, man.
Can you advise him she's calling 911? Open the door. Open the door. Hey, fella, come over here. We're going to bust it and drag her out. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. She's on 911. Ma'am.
And I'd bet anything, you can't really hear the bitch through the window, but I bet anything she's on there saying they pulled me over for no reason, they're being racist, all this shit. Not once does she say I don't have a registration, license, insurance. I'm being a dickhead. I'm pretending I don't understand.
As tensions rose, their actions escalated. The woman, however, matched that intensity, turning what started as a
Oh my God,
routine traffic
she's gonna
stop
run
into a dangerous high-speed chase.
This is your last opportunity to open the door.
Those fucking things are useless.
No, stop. Stop.
There you go.
Stop.
Ha ha.
Now. Stop!
Get off of me!
Stop!
What going? I am down. Why do
You're under arrest for
For what?
fleeing and eluding.
For what?
You are so.
And reckless driving, resisting arrest.
You are full of it.
I love how fast he boot fucked that door off the hinges.
Good job. You just turned a citation to a felony.
No.
Good job.
Guess what? You just lost your badge. You just
Yeah,
lost
we'll
your-
see, missus.
You
Yeah.
just lost your badge.
Guess what?
Say it another 14 times now.
You just lost your license.
Off of me. Get his hands
Yep.
off. He just made me go. I need an ambulance. I cannot sit down. I just told you I'm pregnant.
Sit down.
I cannot sit down. You just tried to kill me.
Put your feet inside.
No, I cannot. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Look what you're doing. Stop. What are you doing? I just told you I'm in pain. I'm in labor. Don't you see that? I don't want you around me or on me.
Sit
These
down.
cuffs are too tight. I told you I'm in pain.
It's, man, I say it in every fucking video that they're going to talk about the cuffs being too tight.
I'm in pain.
Sit down.
Are you recording?
Yes, they're fucking recording. They've been recording since the fucking beginning, man. And you still try to tell them that they're wrong, they're lying, or
Record. Record.
this. Their mother, when they're babies, always tell the police you're pregnant. Tell them you're black, and make sure you tell them you can't breathe.
Get your hands off of me.
Get in the damn
Get
car.
your hands off of me.
Where is the other cop, man? There's usually another one goes in the other fucking door and drags it in by her arms.
Why do you keep letting them handle me?
You're under arrest. Sit down.
For what?
You are under arrest.
For what?
You don't call the shots. Sit down.
You just tried to kill me.
What?
Out of traffic.
You were under arrest and you pulled away.
That's fine. I need a medic. So why are you doing all this?
Sit down.
I cannot. You just made me go in
You
labor.
can't sit down. The medics will come to you.
My hands are uncomfortable.
Dude, just sit down.
What? I cannot. It's too hot in here.
All the excuses. What's next? If he puts the AC on, then what? What do you got then? You live right there? You want to call your lawyer? You got your kids in the house? You got work tomorrow? How many excuses you got?
Sit
Dude,
down.
what are you doing?
Sit
The
down.
cuffs are too tight. I'm in pain, and you keep
Can
touching
you
me.
get her in, please, so we can get her out of here?
No, I need a medic.
Finally.
No, I need a medic.
Looking around, trying to see where Buddy went. He's gone behind you. Get ready.
I need a medic.
Get out of my face, dude. Hey, grab her.
Come on, can we get help? Someone call 911.
You got it?
Look, just in the background. And look at the fucking shower cap. Her fucking Chef Boyardee fucking hat. Their bonnets. They're for when they get their hair done. Yeah, well, every time I see them get ripped off, it's just this matted, formed mess. It's never this beautiful fucking thing that they just had coiffed. No, it's a fucking mess.
What the f***, man? Get the f*** off me, bro. I need a medic.
Sit down in the car.
I need a medic. What are you doing?
Aha. You're in now, aren't you?
Dude,
Bro, I don't want to
What
talk
are
to
you
I don't wanna
doing?
talk to you. She's pregnant. What the f are you doing?
she's under arrest.
I don't want to talk to you, bro.
You cannot interfere
Okay,
with
I don't
us.
Then
wanna talk to you.
shut
That's your- that's your-
the
that's your-
fuck
that's my driveway.
up.
Okay, but
No,
stop
you
talking
just
to me,
committed a
bro.
crime, dude.
Fucking, I don't want to talk to you while he's just fucking yap, yap, yap. Peace.